Unlock the artistic power of selective blur directly within Lightroom, transforming ordinary photos into captivating masterpieces. Today, we're diving into adding natural-looking blur to specific areas of your images for enhanced depth of field or a sense of motion. Let's start by opening your chosen image in the Develop module. First, for a circular blur, we'll use the Radial filter. Click on its icon or press Shift+M. This is perfect for isolating a central subject. Now, click and drag to draw your circle around the area you want to keep sharp. You can adjust its size and position to feather the blur naturally. Drag the feather slider towards the right. This creates a smooth transition between sharp and blurred areas. Next, we'll introduce the blur itself. Find the Effects section within the Radial filter settings. You'll want to lower the sharpness slider significantly. By dragging it to the left, you can also slightly decrease clarity and dehaze for a softer, more dreamlike effect. Notice how the background softens, drawing focus to your subject. You can refine the blur strength and feathering until it looks natural. For a linear blur, like blurring a sky or foreground, the graduated filter is your tool. Click its icon or press M. Click and drag from one edge of your image to create a linear gradient. This is ideal for blurring skies, water, or foregrounds. Adjust the line to control the transition of the blur. Similar to the Radial filter, lower sharpness, clarity, and dehaze within the graduated filter settings. Experiment with the feathering to achieve a seamless blend. And there you have it, professional-grade selective focus, elevating your images with depth and artistry, all within Lightroom. Experiment with these techniques to truly make your subjects pop and tell a more compelling visual story.